Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I am doing my first unboxing video. Yes, you heard right, unboxing video of this 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan that I just purchased at Home Depot not too long ago. I am not going to install this fan anywhere. I'm going to use this fan for parts. If you go to the Hampton Bay Littleton in my grandma's porch, house, whatever, in my video, yeah, I'm going to be using this parts for that Littleton. Anyway, before we get into this video, I just want to talk about this fan. So, when you purchase this fan is $33, I think, but you can get away with $40 and then they'll give you change back. Yeah, Littleton white finish, schoolhouse glass shade, 4 reversible blades, and all that good stuff. 3 reversible motor, and then 42-inch, whatever that's all about. Wow, $1.14 per year. Oh, wow. Brightness, 800 lumens. So, like I said, the purchase of this fan is $33, and I gave them $40. They gave change back. This fan may not be the highest quality rating ever. I did check the 1 stars, and they gave it a 4, which is pretty good. I understand this fan may be junk and crap and whatever, but to me, it's really not that bad of a fan. It's okay to me, but I would recommend this fan to anyone who needs it. Like I said, it's $33. That's cheap in my opinion, but to you, maybe it sounds expensive. And then on the back, you'll see all the good stuff here. So really, in my opinion, this fan is really not that bad. My grandparents have 2 of these in their house. We installed in the early 2000s, and ever since those 2 Littletons are installed, they gave us no problems whatsoever. And I'm sorry if this video is going to be extremely long, so if you want to skip the parts, you can. Alright, and I did not purchase this fan all broken up. That was from me. So, first thing you open up is this and this. And I don't know why they put this piece of cardboard there. And they're just like, alright, time for shipping. I don't know what's the real purpose. Anybody in the comments, let me know. And you get your manual. You get that. Plus you get this little paper card thing, Spanish and English. Alright. First, you get your nice oak blades. Here's your pull chains, wire nuts, and all that good stuff right in there. And plus you get these 4 little irons. How cute is that? So you get those, and then you get this nice mounting bracket. I don't think they include the ground wire on this, in the mounting bracket I mean. And then you lift up that, And here's where all the fun stuff is. And it includes an LED light bulb. Very, very nice. Here's your dome shade. See, that's your dome, your shade. Put that right there. And then, last but not least, let me set my phone down. And last but not least, you get this really nice motor. Now, I know these fans do have small motors in them, but they blow good air for a small motor. Really lightweight, I could say. Really, really light. And, yeah. And that is all there is to it. Like I said, this is my first, this is my first, unboxing video. Get everything here. And this is what you have. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my new unbox Littleton unboxing. And yeah. If there's any fan you want me to unbox and do a video of, you can post it in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys for watching.